Hi friends, today we are going to discuss about cultural studies. As we all know, cultural studies, the Center for Contemporary Cultural Studies CCCS formed by Richard Hoggart in 1964 in University of Birmingham, and the three key figures related to cultural studies are Richard Hoggart, Raymond Williams and Stuart Hall. So, the first director of CCCS was Richard Hoggart and the second director was Stuart Hall. Now it's the time to do some MCQs. So, MCQ time. Books related to cultural studies are Encoding and Decoding in the Television Discourse in the year 1973 was written by Stuart Hall. This is also called as Encoding and Decoding in short form. Notes on Deconstructing is written in the year 1981 by Stuart Hall, and Culture and Society, The Long Revolution, Domesticity or the Triumph of Literature is written by Raymond Williams. Culture and Society was first drafted as the idea of culture. Before giving the title Culture and Society, the name was the idea of culture. Later it was given the title as Culture and Society. E.P. Thompson's The Making of the English Working Class was written in the year 1963. Subculture, The Meaning of Style. The subtitle is The Meaning of Style. Subculture, The Meaning of Style in the year 1979 was written by Dick Hebdick. Introducing Cultural Studies, very important book related to culture, in the year 1994 was written by Ziauddin Sardar. The Work of Art in the Age of Mechanical Reproduction is written by Walter Benjamin. After Theory is written by Terry Eagleton. The book The Culture Industry, Enlightenment as Mass Deception is written in collaboration with Theodore Adorno and Max Horkheimer. Culture and Anarchy is written by Matthew Arnold. It was published in the magazine Cornhill Magazine. Here Cornhill Magazine is very important when comes to Culture and Anarchy by Matthew Arnold. Uses of Literacy in the year 1957 was written by Richard Hoggart. T.S. Eliot's Notes on the Definition of Culture 1948 inspired Raymond Williams to explore the concept of culture. That's why this book of T.S. Eliot is very important. Culture and Society was first drafted as the idea of culture and then it got the name Culture and Society. Dialectic of Enlightenment by Theodore Adorno and Max Horkheimer. Cultural Poetics is the term given by Stephen Greenblatt. Cultural Prozac is the work by Mikhail Bakhtin. To revise the cultural studies. The Birmingham Center for Contemporary Cultural Studies CCCS was established in A. 1975, B. 1964, C. 1967, D. 1968. So, here the answer is 1964. Who gave the concept of circuit of culture? Richard Hoggart, Raymond Williams, Stuart Hall, none of the above. The answer is Stuart Hall. Cultural studies sees culture as a dash, it's a blank, made of signs and generating meaning. A. Text, B. Person, C. Discipline, D. Art. So, answer is text. Culture is simply experience lived, experience interpreted, experience defined. Who defined culture in these terms? Matthew Arnold, Raymond Williams, Stuart Hall, F.R. Lewis. So, answer is Stuart Hall. Cultural hybridization is also known as Pidginization, Globalization, Localization, Creolization. So, here the answer is Creolization. Identify the psychologist and cultural critic who is regarded as the father of South Asian cultural studies. Options are A. Ashish Nandy, B. Aizaz Ahmad, C. R.S. Rajan, D. Ranjit Guha. So answer is Ashish Nandi. It's very important. Who introduced the concept of the Black Atlantic into cultural studies in the early 1990s as a concrete example of the changing same, that is the concept changing same of a diaspora. So Black Atlantic, changing same. Options are Ernesto Lacau, Paul Gilroy, Angela McRobbie, Janice Radway. So answer is Paul Gilroy. The process of making, maintaining and reproducing the authoritative set of meanings, ideologies and practices has been called a blank. A. Ideology, B. Hegemony, C. Historical determinism, D. Political economy. So here the answer is hegemony, and remember the hegemony term is coined by Antonio Gramsci in his notebooks, prison notebooks, and these notebooks were nearly 30. So 30 prison notebooks were found of Antonio Gramsci.
शेयर करो, सब्सक्राइब करो इस चैनल को और देखते ही रहो स्किल बीइंग्स। चलिए एक स्किलफुल नेशन बने। हैव अ ग्रेट डे।